I'm doing a vlog here at Como in request for Sydney trains on location, so enjoy. We have T108 being the front half XG8 departing platform number 1 here at Como, Bondi Junction service. This train will stop at Oatley, Hurstville, Kogarah, Rockdale, Walleye Creek, Sydenham, Redfern Central, Town Hall, Martin Place, Kings Cross, then Edgecliff and Bondi Junction. The rear half, T44. It looks to have a new station sort of thing, which I'm not sure when it was made or anything, but it looks new compared to the station building over there, so yeah. Full service passing front half T51. Rear half T49, Waterfall service stopping at Janelli, Sutherland and all stations to Waterfall. We have T57 being the front half of this passing service, which is off sector Tangara. It's an off sector Tangara Hornsby set. The rear half is T77, which is also an off sector Tangara from Hornsby. We have another Tangara T29 front half. Rear half T46. Kiama service passing front half H27. It's via Wollongong. I believe this train stops at Sutherland, Waterfall, then all to Thirroul, North Wollongong, and then all stations to Kiama. Set rear half H16. Another Tangara passing front half T24. I'm hoping for the M-set doors. No. Rear half T9. I saw the M-set doors twice, except I wasn't filming anything. Passing front half H37. Bondi Junction service, stopping Hurstville, Walleye Creek, Redfern Central, then all to Bondi Junction. This train is late by about 15 minutes. The rear half H49. We have a Tangara arriving, front half XG set T105. This train is going to Cronulla, stopping Janelli, Sutherland, and then all to Cronulla. T105 and its companion now departing platform number 2 at Como for a Cronulla service. This train came from Bondi Junction, obviously. The rear half is T52. A lot of 50s today. We have a train approaching platform 1 here at Como. I'm probably guessing it's a Tangara. Yep. Front half T27. A bit of bouncy track over there. And the rear half is an XG set, XG1, T101, no, hang on, it's XG11, but yeah. Hope you enjoy, guys, see you later. T27 and T101, sitting on platform number 1 here at Oatley for a Bondi Junction service. Bit of a mishap by the guard, the driver, undershot the platform a bit, but It's now departing for Bondi Junction, stopping at Mortdale, Penshurst, Hurstville, Kogarah, Rockdale, Walleye Creek, Sydenham, Redfern Central, then all to Bondi Junction. The normal stopping pattern. But yeah, as you might be able to see if you haven't watched Sydney Trains on Locations videos, he has done a bit of a show of the new upgrade. So yeah, just the shelter has been extended. I think that's what happened. But yes.